Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles with another beautiful early post-operative result. Look at her breasts. She's got a beautiful, perky shape, excellent symmetry. There's no longer skin on either side that was folding over her bra area. So I'm just super pleased with what we've got going on. If you're interested in body contouring surgery, whether it's after weight loss or babies or simply with aging, you've got to check out my website, drstoker.com. I've got over 10,000 spectacular before and after pictures on there. Also check us out on our social media. We're very active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And now we have over 500 videos on YouTube and counting. Make sure you send us your contact information with your email and your cell phone so we can get in touch with you. Or just email us directly at info@drstoker.com. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.